So I'm going to write my name at the top. Second step is to note the expected resistance of the three resistors. So my first resistor is brown, red, black. My second resistor is yellow, purple, black. And my third resistor is red, red, brown. So my first resistor is brown, red, black. So brown is 1, red is 2, and black is 0. So that is 12 by 10 to the power of 0, which is 12 ohms. Second resistor is yellow, purple, and black. So yellow is 4, purple is 7, and the black is 0. So that's 47 by 10 to the power of 0, which is 47 ohms. Third resistor is red, and brown. Red is 2, and the brown is 1. So that's 22 by 10 to the power of 1, which is 220 ohms. So the third step is to measure the resistance of the three resistor values. So I have some banana leads here, so I'll just connect it to this resistor. And I'll just, so it's 11.96 ohms, so that's close enough to 12. I'll measure this second resistor. Which is 46.86. So that's close to 47. .86. 46.86 ohms. And the last resistor. So that's 216.94. Next step is to draw a circuit schematic showing a DC voltage supply connected across the three resistors in series and to choose a supply voltage between 6 and 9. So I'm going to draw a DC voltage. So this resistor is 12. This resistor is 47. And 220. And to pick a supply voltage between 6 and 9, I picked 7 volts. I'm gonna add all these resistors to find the current. So that's equal to 279 ohms. V is equal to IR. IR is equal to V over R. I picked a voltage of 7. So 7 over 279, which is 0.0251 amps, which is the same as 25.1 milliamps. So now I'm gonna work out the voltage across each resistor using Ohm's law. The voltage across or 12, which is 0.0251 by 12, which is 0.30112 volts, and across to resistor 47. Which is 1.1797 volts, and resistor 220. Which is 5.522 volts. So the next step is to demonstrate coarse and fine-tune voltage of the DC supply and set it to the voltage chosen in step 4. So this is the DC supply. I'm gonna switch it on, and I picked a voltage of 7, so I'm gonna switch it to 7 volts. Okay, so that's 7 volts. The next step is to demonstrate how to set the maximum current. The total current I worked out was 25.1 milliamps. I'm gonna set my maximum current to 5.1. Next step is to connect the DC supply across the circuit with two resistors in series. So I'm going to connect these banana leads here. And then connect it to this resistor, one terminal of this resistor, and to this terminal of this resistor. So I'm gonna press the button. So after connecting the banana leads to each resistor, I got 25 amps, which is the same as what I got here, 25.1 milliamps. When I connect these banana leads to this resistor, it's 11.94 ohms, which is similar to what I predicted with this resistor. When I connected this to the second resistor, I should get 46.72 ohms, which is close to what I predicted. 46.86 ohms. And when I connected the last resistor, so I'm gonna connect it to this resistor here. And I get 216.78, which is what I predicted, close to what I predicted here. So next step is to show the effect of setting the current limit to half the expected current on the voltage between the output terminals. So I got 55 amps here. I'm gonna set it down halfway. So that should be about 25. I've also done the last step.